Kids Learning World.
Hey there! Do you know what a snail is? S-N-A-I-L. Snails are small animals with shells on their backs. They move very slowly, sliding along the ground. Snails like to live in gardens and forests. They eat leaves and sometimes fruits and vegetables. Snails have shells to protect them from harm. They're interesting to watch and gentle to touch, but we should always be gentle with them too. You saw how the snail looks like. Let's now draw a snail together. They have a shell on their back, a soft body, and little antennae on their heads. We can draw a big spiral shell and a small body peeking out from underneath. How about we start with the shell? Next, we will draw the snail's body. Thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. If you ever want to draw or learn something new, feel free to come back. Goodbye for now.